So let's find out what's going on with it now. And Louise, Lear is here for us this morning. Morning, Louise.
Hi there, Steph. Good morning, everybody. Yes, it's a relatively quiet day. I thought I'd start off with a tree growing out of my head. I've just noticed that. But let's take a look at some of the Weather Watchers photographs from yesterday. A little bit of lying snow in parts of Lanarkshire, but it was the seas that were the real talking point throughout the afternoon. This is a scene in Whitley Bay. There was a little bit of flooding across parts of Scarborough and down through that east coast, but the flood defences certainly helped. And the winds are going to ease through the day today, and actually things are a little bit quieter. It's a cold start, it's a frosty start for many of us, and there's still a scattering of showers just running down through the North Sea coast. They'll continue to be a bit of a nuisance, and if you do catch one or two of those showers, well, it could just give a covering of snow, a light dusting around a centimetre maybe in places, but further inland some decent spells of sunshine coming through. Out to the west, there's again the risk of a few coastal showers just driven in by that northwesterly breeze, but it's slightly milder here, 7-8 degrees, so there'll be rain rather than snow. Good slice of sunshine through the spine of the country and along that east coast, but cold 2 or 3 degrees. Scattering of showers for Northern Ireland and into western Scotland, but again, far northeast of Scotland, it's going to be a cold afternoon with around 1 or 2 degrees, but nevertheless, drier, quieter weather in prospect. All change as we go through the night. We could have an early frost in eastern areas, but out to the west, the cloud, the rain gathers. And a pretty dismal day in prospect, really. If you've got outdoor plans, there could be quite a lot of rain around at times. So temperatures on the to the far north, just sitting below freezing, could lead to a little bit of snow on the leading edge. But as this mild air floods in behind from the north and west, things will start to change. So Sunday looks a pretty overcast day. There'll be outbreaks of rain, not too heavy, but it could stay rather disappointing, particularly through East Anglia. A lot of low cloud, a lot of drizzle, a lot of murk, not much in the way of sunshine tomorrow. So generally milder air piling in behind, 9 or 10 degrees. But into East Anglia, you could be the exception, unfortunately. Here it could be rather cold, grey and disappointing. What's in prospect for early next week? Oh, I'm finishing the bulletin with a tree coming out of my head. Chillier conditions in the far southeast, but it does look as though the further north and west you go, we will stay rather cloudy, but mild. Back to you two.
Louise, I didn't think it was a tree to begin with. I thought it was a flamboyant hairdo.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I'll tell Heather.
Brilliant. Thanks very much, Louise. See you in a bit.
Thank you.
We're back with the headline.